Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is July the 21st and our devotion is Never Alone. Do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Isaiah 41:10. Don't be mad, but when a conversation begins this way, we automatically brace ourselves for bad news. We know what is about to follow is likely going to make us mad. Just as don't laugh means what's coming could be funny. The speaker is trying to tell us that they hope we'll listen to what they have to say without jumping to an emotional response. The Bible often tells us to set aside natural instincts like fear, sadness, and urges us to instead take courage and consolation from God. How beautiful it is to know He wants us to place our worries and heal our heartbreak. Oh, precious God, how comforting it is to know you want my fear and my sadness and my pain. Help me to let go of my feelings and take on your loving comfort and strength. The nighttime devotion. Few things are harder to endure than being alone and afraid. God knows this. That's why He encourages us to remember we are never alone. When bad news comes, He is with us. When the waiting gets long, He is with us. When our knees grow weak, He is with us. When we fall to the ground, too exhausted to keep fighting, still He is with us. The question of the day: how often do you feel lonely? Invite the Lord to flood your heart again. I very seldom feel lonely. I talk to God all day. I have conversations with Buddy. I make these videos and I feel like I'm having conversations with you guys. There are times that I wish that my best friends lived closer so that way we could go do things. But to feel lonely, I don't feel lonely. I feel fulfilled. So I want to thank you all for watching the video. And hey, do me a favor. The next person you see today, look at him and tell him Jesus loves you. Thank you for watching the video. If you would like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.